Hello guys, welcome back. The Game Idea here, and I'm here back on Factorio. Now, I don't even know what episode this is, 4 or 5, I'm not quite sure, but we have actually done a lot. I know I said that a lot, but I really mean it. We have already done a lot of stuff on this. It took me probably like 3 hours just to get this far. My other thing, then again, I haven't ever played before, so I didn't really know much. But now I know a lot, and our coal actually stopped mining because there's no more coal left, sadly, so I have to get used to that. But I am having the grenade workers starting to make some grenades, and I already have 2 making, so that is nice. So basically what I do is I just put a lot of coal and some iron inside these, and it takes about like 2 iron and like 20 coal just to make 1. It's outrageous how much it takes, how much coal it takes. But then again, iron stacks in 100s and coal in these stacks in like what, 50s. So it's not the best, but it's decent. Okay, if I make them into 2, they'll make them way quicker. Yeah, that's going already quicker. So I started researching advanced materializing, or material processing, whatever. That is actually going to give me steel furnaces, which will help a lot. And I can start to mine more, which means I'll get more of this stuff. But now, since I've already gotten steel processing, I'm actually going to go ahead and start cooking up some steel to get some crap. Put that up there and get some coal. Boop. I'm gonna start cooking up 5 iron plates per, and I'll make 1 steel, which I'm actually gonna go for steel axe, which takes 5 steel plate. Wow, that's a lot. Let's see, what does it need? What do you need? You need nothing at the moment. Okay. How much crap have you made? 30. Pretty good amount of crap. I wanted to get lab efficiency next, but that'll come in handy later. I'll do that next probably. So as you can see, I got a lot more red than green, and it's always going to be like that. I might sometimes have like 200 red and like 10 or 11 red and some science pack 1 inside it. It's not really fair how much you make, but kind of gotta get used to it. But besides that, it's still nice. I can actually make armor now, so I'm gonna make a couple of those. So, sorry about the chair, by the way, guys. That's probably gonna be real annoying, having that sound in the background, but my chair is so squeaky, I can't help but move around while I'm playing. I just have to. I can't stop it. It's addictive. I'm kidding, it's not addictive. It's like you can't not move, you know? Why aren't you going? Oh, did I give that all? Oh, I did. I didn't split in half. Whoops. Okay. All of those should be making it, but it's probably not really good. Oh, it is. Oh, when I went off and looked, it was only about halfway. I have no idea what the heck is happening with it. Okay, now it's doing that. I have no idea what's going on, guys. I don't know why the orange is going up and down. Blue is pretty steady. Green is pretty steady. Well, I mean, then again, orange is pretty steady too. It's just here. Let's see. Never mind. Red is the steadiest. It looks like. Well, actually, no. There's like an orange on the bottom. That's. I have no idea what the heck. What color is that? Can I zoom in? No, but like there's a color right down there. As you can see, consumption, production, just going up and down because they're using it very rarely. It's just going up, down, up, down, up, down. Blue is pretty steady though, but whenever orange goes up, blue goes down. Green is pretty steady, but it's just going like a red, which is inserters, since they're like turning on, turning off, turning on, turning off. You know, it's always gonna go crazy. So kind of have to get used to it sparking about whenever it feels like it. So we have a lot of red science making. 124 as expected in what, 3. I was close. You know what, I'm gonna make some walls. We can go and place those. Okay. So, if I look around, our most dangerous threats are actually over here, because that's the only way we've actually explored besides the starting area. So I'm gonna go ahead and mainly defend up here still. Now I only have one turret, but I keep making walls. But like I said, we have run out of stone, so I can't make many more walls. So that's a bummer. But if I go up here, they can attack pretty hard. And I only have one turret, which I'd like to change pretty soon, as in right now. We're going to make, I already have 2 turrets in my inventory. Derp. Derpity derp derp derp. Probably from attacking. Okay. Let's make that. So, again, guys, I'm sorry that I'm not talking much, but it's just, like I've said a billion times, the thinking process that it takes to play this game. Like, if you guys get this game, you'll understand. Try to do live commentary, you guys will understand all the and like okay, all that stuff. You'll understand it if you play this game and try to do live commentary. A lot of thinking goes into this game. Hola. Again, sorry about the interruption on episode 1. Probably gonna forget to edit that out, but I'll try my best to edit it out. Put that there, okay. I think that's good. Pretty decent. Now all I have to do is fill these up with ammo. And by the way, guys, if you do see an exclamation mark right here, yellow means that they still attack, but they're not too far away, but red means they're either one attacking it or like 2 blocks away. But these actually do a lot of damage compared to you. Shotgun is kind of slow, but up close, the closer you get, it does a lot of damage. I can sometimes one-shot them. But with the worms, guys, my suggestion is to have the best armor in the game, and just regen your health, go in with grenades, and just hold down the button, and then you can just spam it. Like, look how much damage that did compared to this. I can't actually shoot it on the ground. Like, look, this will probably one-shot this pole. No, but close. But this, look how much damage it does. Oh, sorry, I missed. Actually does the same time damage. Never mind, but this is basically a machine gun because you can just hold down. Just threw 3 grenades. Just threw 3 grenades there really quickly. Now, if you hurt things, I'm not quite sure if it slows them down or anything like that, but I am gonna go ahead and repair those just in case. Okay. Need more coal. I just need some more coals. Okay. Let's grab some coal from over here. Let's put 2 over here, 2 over here, 25 there, 25 there. like I said, takes up a lot of coal. I'm actually running low on coal. Don't mine too much. Mine more than you need, or else you'll have to start storing, and it gets really annoying when you need to store. So I suggest not storing. I don't care if this gets destroyed. I can make another one if I need to. Okay. Okay. Let's do that. Let's make one more of these. Okay, never mind. Let's do it right here. And go to there. We can have it going all the way over here. So, oh, that's why it's not mining. Okay. Are you kidding me? There we go. So it should mine the coal. I just want to see if it works. Will it go underneath the wall? And yes, it will. Okay, we're good. We are family. Hey. Oh, advanced material is so close. As soon as I get that, guys, I'm going to replace every single furnace. I don't want to replace with steel furnaces, and then I'll be happy. Two axes, those are useless now. Forget them. Can I make yes, I can already make steel chest. Okay, that is cool. That is cool. It takes 1 steel plate and 5 copper to make how many? 5 versus 2 versus damage 12 times 4. Yeah, so pretty good there. Pretty good damage. It's not as much as that if you get up and close, but pretty good damage for distance. Put 50 there. And 50 there. Okay, how much have you made? 24. Okay, 48. Not bad. Not bad. Let's put 23 there. And 50. Do that. Let's put it in half. Put it in there. Go to here. Put it to there. Okay. Oh, dang it. It is so close. $137. $147. What do you need? Iron. Oh gosh. I'm not sure how I can fix that, but let's just get it for a ways and done. Okay, now I'm going to pass back out half of those cables. That's all I'm doing. Okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. I would like to do 50 and 100. Should be ready to spit out whenever they feel like it. Okay. Should start making crap now that I'm putting on iron. That's what I was going for. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and make a few myself. Can you? Can you make any? Yes, you are making some. Thank you. For once this game actually listens to me. Yes. But then again, I deny it so hard. Okay. Still putting a lot of iron onto that. Okay. I should only put like 50 copper on. And put like 300 iron on. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna get so much crap from picking up all this stuff though. Yeah, I'm actually enjoying this game. Now I hope you guys are too. Now this is the last session video I'm gonna record in this session. So I hope you guys are liking this little series I'm recording so far. Now I'm my goal this winter summer is to have at least, well, close to one day uploaded, one episode uploaded per 2 days, every 2 days. I want at least one episode uploaded, so that'll be nice if I can successfully do that. Now I'm probably having a lot of coal coming in now. Yep. Okay, let's get this going into these. 13 and 13. Oh, probably need to put some iron into there too. 55 in there. 55 in there. Okay. 1967. Not bad, not bad. As soon as I get advanced materializing, I will end the episode, like I said. Or replace everything was stilled and in the episode. I don't care. Come on. Yes, it's gonna go pretty quickly. And bada bing, bada. Boom. Oh gosh. Sorry. I hit the microphone. Whoops. That was not on purpose. You guys should know that. Okay, well, I just got that, and I'm now going to do logistics 2. Why not? Sorry about that. Let's go ahead and okay, I need some bricks. Curb. Wait. Yes. I can make one. Okay, it's still plates I need. Okay. That makes me feel a bit better. Okay, let's go ahead and cook up 58 more of those. Making a lot of green substances on my own though. 10, 11. Okay. Okay, that was how lag spike. I think there was just some lag there. Bad thing with this recording is that it's like built into the kind of like into the game. So when the game lags, so is recording. Can't really do much about that, but hopefully the quality or whatever you guys don't really like is being fixed, or like the huge bandicam at the top of the screen is not there. You guys probably like that too. I need to figure out how to put the intro onto these. I do need to figure that out. Okay. I'm gonna just exit out those. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go to put them. Okay. Onto there. 10, 10, or 11. I guess that works. 7 and 7. Okay, finally, my first still thing. See, that cooks way quicker. So I'll be back next episode. Yeah, well, if I next episode I probably won't remember what to do, and I'll just step up from what I've done. So before I save and exit the game, I am going to replace all the furnaces with steel furnaces though. So I hope you guys like this video, and please like and subscribe. By the way, guys, I don't know if I've already done a video on this or if I've said this on a video, but thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you have sent to me and Jacob to this channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.